muffin.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 80 Foods. How are you today? I'm doing great. This time, we will learn about muffins. Look at the picture. This is a muffin. It's a chocolate muffin. Let's begin the class by studying some words.
Raisin. These are raisins. A raisin is a dried grape. It tastes sweet. We put raisins in other food, such as bread. Some people put raisins in their breakfast cereal. Powder. This is green tea powder. It is made from green tea. Powder comes from grinding something solid. You see various kinds of powder each day, such as sugar powder, salt powder, curry powder, and so on.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Powder. Raisin.
It's time to read a story. After you read, you will do a quiz.
Do you know what a muffin is? It's a small sweet bread. It is baked like cake. We use flour, milk, and eggs to make muffins. We can put other things in it too. Some popular ones are chocolate chips, raisins, and blueberries. The picture shows chocolate muffins. Cocoa powder is used with the other ingredients. Chocolate chips are put in it too. Do you like chocolate muffins?
How is a muffin made? By baking. By frying. What is used to make the chocolate muffins in the picture? Blueberries. Cocoa powder.
Do you eat muffins for breakfast? What is your favorite kind of muffin? I like oatmeal muffins. This is the end of our class. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.